Here at Johns Manville, we're all about the long term. We've been protecting the commercial building envelope since 1858, so we know a thing or two about what works over time. Our insulation products are designed for versatility and performance. Putting them in the right places is where long-term durability comes in. At JM, we can assist with that. From identifying the right products, to advising on installation, and even assembling a woofy hydrothermal model specific to your project climate zone, we aim to be your product partner for the long term. When we talk about building durable commercial envelopes, it all starts with understanding hydrothermal design. How heat, air, and moisture move through an assembly. Getting this right isn't optional. It's the key to preventing mold, maintaining energy performance, and protecting long-term envelope integrity. First, every assembly must manage the three drivers: bulk water, vapor diffusion, and air leakage. Vapor retarders and air barriers need to be intentionally placed for maximum benefit. Their location depends upon climate, indoor humidity, and thermal gradient across the wall system. In colder climates, the goal is to keep the dew point outside of the insulation layer. In warm, humid climates, the strategy flips. We prevent inward vapor drive from loading the wall with moisture. Material compatibility is just as important. Insulation, sheathing, WRBs, and air barrier layers all have to work as a coordinated system, not individual parts. And when assemblies become more complex, the risk of hidden condensation increases. That's where the modeling and proper sequencing of assembly components can make or break performance. In the end, a durable hydrothermal assembly isn't just engineered, it's designed around the climate, the building's purpose, and how moisture truly behaves. JM building envelope insulation products cut out the noise around product assemblies. We provide multiple insulation solutions that are designed to complement the durability of your design. Polyiso boards that reflect heat and moisture above or below grade. Mineral wool that repels water, insulates, and absorbs sound. Spray foam that seals out air and vapor. And of course, fiberglass that reduces both sound and thermal transfer in cavities. Can't decide which is best? Give us a call. We can design it together for long-term performance.